Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to share how I mount a pair of propeller guards for DJI Avata 360. These elastic plastic pieces will absorb the impact in the case you fly your drone in sport mode and incidentally hit something. These may protect your drone from cracks or damage. Well, but don't try to test it by flying at full speed. You're responsible for your actions. I just share my experiment and experience only. When you mount these types of guards, just pay attention to the A or B side of the guards. I will be having a test at the end of this 7-minute video, so stay till the end of the video. Although these propeller guards are mounted on, I never see them in the footage. You can DM me for a link to buy them. Hope you enjoy the video. And if you feel this video is helpful, please tap like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my video in the future when I post it. Pay attention to the A piece and the B piece. The A piece, if looking from the bottom of the drone, must be mounted on the right. And of course the B piece is on the other side. This front leg piece has a groove that will fit in the slot of the drone landing legs. Now I'm gonna insert a battery into the drone and do an indoor test flight. As always, I'm gonna short press then long press to power on the drone. As you can see, the clearance between the belly of the drone and the table is quite high after I mount these landing gear on. You can also see that the lens, if you use the single lens mode, is far away from the front bumper in case your drone hits an obstacle head-on. So this protective guard can help the drone avoid damage. The high clearance underneath the drone is quite safe when landing on the rough ground surface or a landing pad. As you see, I have tested the side and the front bumper. Now I'm going to test to see if I can see the propeller guard shown in the footage. Let me know if you can see it.
Stand right there.
Propeller spinning, ready for the show. Little plastic hero, watch me go, go, go. Up above the rooftops, climbing high. A tiny metal bug against the summer sky. Dodging fluffy clouds, they look like sheep. While all the people down there are still fast asleep. Buzzing in the blue, got a bird's eye view, and it's all brand new. Zooming through the funny scene. I'm a 21st century flying machine. Stretched and gave a lazy wave. I'm a happy little drone, buzzing in the blue. Got a bird's eye view, and it's all brand new. Zooming through the daylight, what a funny scene. I'm a 21st century flying machine. Floating on the breeze now, feeling free. Who would ever think this could be me? But my battery is blinking. Red light starts to flash. Gotta find my way home in a dash. Coming in for landing.
Little wings of silver gleam, floating on a sunlit street, climbing higher it would seem, living out a summer dream. Ooh. Drone is flying in the blue.
Hope you enjoy the video, and if you feel this video is helpful, please tap like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.